Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, this Kali Yuga is so strong that it attracts even the so-called devotees also. Kali Yuga is very strong. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has recommended that if you want to save yourself, if you at all desire to take the position of Amrita, if you are interested, nobody is interested. Krishna says, Amrita taya kalpate. That is the aim of life. How I shall become immortal? How I shall not become subjected to the four principles of distress, condition, birth, death, disease and all. Nobody is serious. They are so dull. Therefore, they have been described munda. Munda means so bad, so rascal, that they have no ambition of life. They do not know what is the goal of life. Munda. Munda means bad. And sumanda mata. And if some of them, just to become little recognized as very religious, he will accept some rascal as guru, magician, and eat everything, do everything, and become spiritualist. And his rascal guru will say, yes, you can eat anything, you can do anything, religion has nothing to do with eating. It is going on. The Christian people, it is explicitly, clearly said, thou shalt not kill. But they are killing. Still they are constant. They are very much proud. I am Christian. And what kind of Christian you are? You are regularly disobeying the order of Christ. And still you are Christian. So everything is going on. Either Christian, Mohammedan or Hindu, so-called, all of them have become rascals. That's all. This is Kali Yuga. Manda, sumanda matayo. They have created their own imaginary religious principle, and therefore they are condemned. They do not know. The aim of life is to realize God. This is human life. But they are so much embarrassed with these uncontrollable senses that they are going to the darkest region of material existence. Adanta govhi. Adanta means uncontrolled. They cannot control the senses. They have become so unfortunate that simple thing, little effort, little austerity to control the senses. The yoga process means to control the senses. Yoga does not mean that he shows some magic. The magician also can show magic. We have seen one magician, he created immediately so much coins. Tang. Next moment it is all finished. So, the life, that missing, the aim of life. Manda sumanda matayo. Why? Manda bhag. The unfortunate. So you take it for granted. We are trying. Even our King's Consciousness mission, we are trying to awaken. Still they are so unfortunate that cannot give up sense gratification. So unfortunate. Condemned unfortunate. Repeatedly we are spending our gallons of blood. Don't do this. Still they are doing it. Cannot give up even sleeping. So condemned. Kali Yuga. Manda sumanda matayo. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare